Christmas carols, so please either listen or join in singing. And the first one is Away in the Manger, which I'm sure you all know. Oh, thank you, John. Well done.
Hello, Nancy. Hello, Nancy.
Hello. How are you doing? Good. That's what we like to hear. And the next one is A Little Town of Bethlehem. And just to add, we are raising money for Christian Aid this morning. So if you enjoy our playing, please put some money in the pot for Christian Aid. A Little Town of Bethlehem.